Hey Divine One, I want to tell you a story today about how I learned to live life in the moment and to embrace the fullness of it all. When I was 21 years old, as an only parent of two young kids just leaving a domestic violent marriage, I was diagnosed with a very rare terminal cancer. And it was in that moment that I realized how short life was, that I realized how important the present moment of each and every day was. And it's because I had that beautiful opportunity to step back and have the perspective of life that I've been able to create everything that I have now. 15 years later, in a life where I have created a dream for my kids and I, it's because every single day since the moment of that diagnosis, I have woke up in deep gratitude and appreciation for all that I have. You don't have to learn how important life is the way that I did by getting a terminal diagnosis. You can instead choose in every moment of every day. Act as if it were your last. How would you speak to your friends? What would you do? What risks would you take? What feelings would you feel fully? What experiences would you create with yourself? If you can ask yourself that every single day, what would I do today if I knew it was my last day on earth? And you could live fully like that, completely in what we might call irresponsible delusion, everything will shift for you, because it's when you don't think you have anything left that you can take those huge risks and leaps of faith, knowing that no matter what, it's all going to be okay. And so I ask you today, what would you do differently if you knew that today was your last day? And can you live from there?